Alright. A lot of people are asking me, mahirap po ba yung transition mo from engineering to data analytics? Mahirap syempre, wala namang madali, di ba? So, sinimulan kong aralin yung nag-focus ako muna sa database. Technically, yung pinaka unang question is, ano po ba ang dapat pag-aralan? Excel or SQL sa data analytics? Technically, sa totoo, kailangan mo matuto talaga ng Excel. Pero sa tinahak kong landas as a senior C# developer noon, medyo mahirap. So, nagsimula ako sa database. So, nagsimula akong mag-manipulate ng data using database, SQL, MySQL, Oracle, Teradata for support, and then DB2 for IBM. So, a lot. So, most of my experience is from database. Tapos, yung Excel naman, dumating sa punto na kailangan kong pag-aralan yon kasi maraming nagsasubmit sa akin sa operations ng Excel. Kasi most of the operations are not that technical. Hindi marunong mag-database yan. So, when I say operations, ito yung mga hindi IT. So, kailangan mong pag-aralan talaga yung formula and then how each column works and also the business rule. Alright? So, maraming nagsasabi sa akin, Sir, di ba naman kailangan aralin yung Excel? Pwede ka nang dumiretso sa SQL. Yes, pwede kang dumiretso sa SQL. Pero it would be better if you will know Excel. Kahit sa 100%, kahit 10% lang ng Excel. Now, the moment you're done with the database, ang kailangan mong pag-aralan sa database are navigation of the environment itself, mapa MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle, Teradata, IBM na DB2. Kailangan mong i-navigate yan isa-isa. Huwag mo rin kalimutan yung approach or environment ng Azure at saka AWS. Maraming mga database sa loob. Kaya nag-offer na rin yun doon. So, kailangan maging flexible ka. Kailangan sa technology, hindi ka nahuhuli. Kasi, as an IT professional, kailangan monthly, yearly, may napapag-aralan kang bagong technology. Hindi lang isa. Alright? Lalong-lalo na yung tagsibol ng AI. So, kailangan mong aralin yan. Okay? So, once you're done with the database part, you have the option. Okay? Pwedeng sa reporting, pwedeng pag-aralan mo Power BI, Tableau, Insight ng AWS for reporting. Pwede rin naman yung SSRS, yung kapatid ni Power BI. So yun yung approach ko on how I successfully go on this profession as a software architect. Ito yung mga pag-aralan kong technology. So I'm just sharing you guys. Alright, so if you have questions, you can message me, and if you would like to have a training with me, you can visit my FB page. Thank you and have a nice day.